About her.
Hey guys, in this video I want to share with you all how I create this super easy voluminous bun on medium to long. I feel like my hair is more medium length, so on medium length hair. You can also do this style on shorter length hair too. My trick is actually a banana clip, so you guys will see how I achieve this nice big bun using a banana clip. So this is just a super easy style that I do on weekends if I want like a fancier style bun than the ones I usually wear to work. I also wear this style to work as well, so it's very work dressy, kind of, you can spice it up however you like. So I'll go ahead and get into the tutorial. I hope you guys find this video very helpful. So I usually start with my hair in a stretch state. Last night I just moisturized it and put it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 7 chunky twists. I lightly detangled it. I didn't do anything too serious. So I just unraveled them this morning, and I'm just going to start to pull it up into kind of like the bun direction. Let's see. And this one is so easy. I do this a lot if I want to do like a fancier style bun for the weekends. I'm just going to take some water. I just have it. I used to use this stuff. It's very bright. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is just the Shea Moisture Hold in Moisture Mist. But I filled it with water because I used all of it. And I just lightly spritz my edges. I don't do any fancy edge control or really try to lay them down. I just try and smooth them a little bit because my edges just don't lay. So I've just accepted that part. So I'm just going around my entire hairline and damping in it. Okay, then water dripping. Then I just take a, what do you call these? 4 bristle brushes, one of those natural hair brushes. And I'm just going to smooth out my edges. And as you guys see, they don't really get super smooth. It just kind of gets rid of the parts and just makes it a little bit more uniform. Okay. So now I'm going to gather it. My favorite area to put my bun is not at the very top, but kind of a little bit lower than like a top knot. I think that's good. Okay, I'm gonna go a tiny bit higher today because I think I'm going to pin it downwards. Okay, and then I'm going to take a banana clip. You don't need a lot of stuff for this style. All you really need is a banana clip, some bobby pins, a headband, and something to spritz your edges with and brush them down. Let me get this open. I should have opened this before. This is a struggle. Okay. So you want to open your banana clip here, and to place the banana clip, you want to make sure that you put it in evenly. So I usually take the front part and put it into the front of the hair that I have gathered. It's getting stuck in the other side. These can be a little bit tricky. And then I'm gonna wrap it around, and then I'm gonna make sure that they kind of end at a similar, you know, it's more centered, I would say. So I'll just put it back so you guys can see it's, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's in the banana clip. And I just make sure the hair is all in it, and I just close the side that I have open. Okay, I think that's good. That was a little workout, and we're not even finished. So I'm just gonna fluff this out a tiny bit, and then gather the hair. And I'm gonna, you can like flip it forward, you can flip it back. I'm gonna flip mine backwards. And then kind of roll it under like this. And going to take some bobby pins. And pin. Just gonna pin your bun down. If I can get these open. Okay, so I placed 2 of my bobby pins, and as you can see, it looks a little weird. So now we're going to just fluff it. I like to kind of pull it down on the sides and pin those sides down to cover the banana clip. Okay, and then you can kind of mess with it to create the shape that you want. Okay, and if you don't want it as such like a perfect kind of fan type shape, you can definitely pull some hair and pin it in different ways. And then the finishing touch, I actually could have put it a little bit higher, but this is fine for today. Okay, and then I take a headband. This is just a very stretched, what do you call these? It's just a regular type headband, but this one's stretched out. If you have a good band that you stretched with your puffs and it's just too loose now for your puffs, you can definitely use it for this type of style. So I'm just doubling it. And then I pull it up like a regular headband. And then you take one of the bands and slide it back. There's good. And then you take the first band and slide it back a little bit. And this just kind of gives you the look of having 2 headbands. Alright, so we're all done. I hope you guys found this hairstyle very easy and something that you will definitely try for yourself. You can definitely spice it up with some baby hairs, if you can do those, or like a different kind of headbands. You can put your bun lower or even higher. I do like to do this bun in a very high bun as well, but I like it kind of more toward the back when I do my headbands like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other style video requests, you can let me know those in the comment section. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.